Hi, I'm Todd from MarineMax in Panama City Beach. This is a 2012 Bayliner 197. This boat has fantastic seating for a 19-20 foot boat. It's absolutely amazing. Seating for 10, so your friends and family can all go. It's powered by a 4.3 V6, so it'll pull up even the biggest wakeboarder with the wakeboard tower. Easy onboard access to the water. Tons of storage under every seat, so you can take all your stuff, everything you need to spend a day at the island. Storage in the floor for your skis, your wakeboards, your inflatable toys, whatever. What a fantastic boat to get your family to the island this weekend. Come down to MarineMax at Panama City Beach and check out this Bayliner for yourself.